Hey, so welcome back to another video, and let's get started. So first up we have the case. This is the IQUINIX, I think it's 60% Lambo. I don't think there's an actual full name for it, it's just the Lambo, but there's also an 80% out there, but it's supposed to look kind of sharp like a Lambo, which I don't personally see, but it looks cool regardless. There's these cool notches on the bottom. So for stabilizers, we have GMK screw-in stabilizers. These are pretty nice, pretty standard. I might go with Durox in the future. So for switches, I want to go with something that reminded people a little bit of like soda or something like that, or like a little fizz in soda. So I decided to go with some Box Whites. Pretty light and clicky, not terribly loud, kind of almost a soft click if you build it the right way, but I think it'll work well. Come in bags of 10. For the PCB, I once again went with KBDFans. I've used quite a few of their PCBs and I like their PCBs, so why not keep going with their PCBs? I decided to go with the ANSI Hot Swap version 2, just like my GMK Miami build, so should work fine. And of course, as always is a must, you must get the case foam and the PCB foam. They all come in these nice, cool, sort of dark translucent bags, which I find to be pretty cool looking. They do kind of like to hold on to the foam though, so it's you need a little bit of care when pulling it out. Finally, we have the plate. I decided to go with brass plate again from KBDFans. And lastly, we have the keycaps. I decided to go with a pretty ancient set that I didn't think I could find. JTK Coca-Cola, I think it's also known as JTK Sophomore, but I think the more general name is JTK White on, or Red on White or something like that. The Coca-Cola space bars were separate and I had to pay extra for that, but managed to find them. But because they are unidirectional, I won't be able to have those upside down space bars. But because this is a soda themed keyboard, it was worth it. So let's get started with the typing test. So let's go over how much this keyboard cost me to build. 7 packages of 10 box white switches, $26.60. Lambo 60% case in red, $70. Case foam, $10. 60% brass plate, $39.90. Hot swap PCB, $55. PCB foam, $10. GMK screw and stabilizers 60% kit, $14. And the JTK Coca-Cola keycaps, $120. This total rounds up to $345.50, so quite a bit cheaper than my other builds so far, but that's also because some of the parts are just inherently cheaper than, I guess, the other items. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd highly appreciate if you would subscribe, share, like, comment, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video soon, hopefully.